Hi, welcome to our online curriculum night. Unfortunately, we were not able to meet in person, so we'll have to do it digitally. I'm Mrs. Novak, and I'll be your child's math teacher this year. A little bit about me. I've been teaching for 12 years. This is my fifth year at QPS. My husband and I have twin boys, Micah and Malcolm, who are two. We live in Hannibal. We have a dog named Watson, as you can see there in the picture. Um, Math class. What does a typical day in math class look like? We have bell work, a whole group lesson, and then individual practice, also known as homework. Bell work has review problems on it to keep things fresh. Whole group lessons, we do guided notes that have practice problems. This should be coming home with homework as it gives step by step directions on how to work out the things that you'll find on the homework. What are we learning this year? We will learn how to multiply, divide, and divide decimals, multiply and divide fractions, create and solve ratios, write and solve expressions, equations, and inequalities. We find the area of shapes, such as triangles and trapezoids and other quadrilaterals. We do some things with statistics, graphs, making graphs, that sort of thing. We also practice converting from fractions to decimals and percents and everything in between. And we also work on volume and surface area. Some things that your child will need are a pencil, binder, their planner, and the math books. Please make sure your child has extra pencils and erasers, as we will be doing a lot of erasing in math class. Your child may or may not have their own binder for math class, which is fine. As long as they have a section in their binder for math, then they will be set. The planner in the math book, the school provides for them. Our grading scale consists of 40% homework and 60% test quizzes or projects. Homework. How often should you be seeing homework come home? You should be seeing homework coming home once or twice a week. The homework has problems that look like problems from their notes. They usually have work it out problems, find the mistakes, some vocabulary, and some word problems. Homework is due the next day after it is assigned. Before I collect it, I always ask if students have questions, and if they got stuck on a problem, that is the time for them to ask questions about it. Another thing that would be very helpful is if your child has their multiplication facts memorized. These are the building blocks of a lot of what we do in sixth grade math. Memorization is if your child can recall them with like 1 to 2 seconds, or if they're working it out and you're timing them about 40 to 50 math problems in a minute. Alex. Many parents and students are familiar with Alex, as a lot of the elementary schools use it. All students have an Alex account. They've been given their username and password. Students need to complete at least 5 topics a week. This will be a homework grade starting second quarter. If your child is struggling and needs some help, they have time to ask questions in class during win time. And if they need more support, please contact me. If your child is absent 2 or more days, you need to contact the guidance office for a homework request. And that will be forwarded to all your child's teachers. And then we will get their work to you via email, or if you are unable to get homework with technology, paper copies will be made available. For math, once I get the homework request, I will email the weekly notes and homework to you and your child. If you need to contact me, my email is novakno@qps.org. That is the best way to contact me, or you can contact me via my extension at the school, which is 1217. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.